Hello, it's Joe Helmy from Prominent Properties Sotheby's International Realty. I'm here at 155 Mills Avenue in Norwood, New Jersey, answering a question that came in regarding the train tracks across the street. It's a commercial train line that doesn't pass by very frequently and isn't very noisy. Where I'm standing here in the kitchen, you could barely hear it. Don't expect to see commuter trains such as NJ Transit or Amtrak trains passing by. You will, however, see longer industrial-looking commercial trains. To exemplify the noise volume and the look of the train, we recorded the following video. It lasts about a minute and a half, so they are longer trains. But you can tell, even standing in the living room where you could see the train, it's still not very loud. But we hope the following video helps answer the questions. If you have any questions regarding this property or any of your real estate needs, feel free to contact me at 973-445-4247 or via email at joseph.helmy, Helmy, @sotheby'srealty.com. Thank you.